How to send a message in TikTok Lite. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can send direct message to someone on TikTok by following some steps. So before following the steps, make sure you have hit the like and subscribe button, and let's begin with it. First of all, download the TikTok application into your device from Google Play Store or App Store. After that, make sure you are logged in. And then here, what you need to do is tap on this inbox option. Here you see this inbox option. What you need to do is, here you can see this arrow icon at the top right. Here, just tap on it and you can send direct messages to that person with the amount of followers you have. Just tap on that person and send a text by typing anything. And there you go, you have successfully sent a text to the given person that you want to send text to on TikTok Lite. Another way is you may go to your home, scroll to the right, and here you can see the option called say hi besides follow. Just tap on that option and here you may send text. In this way you can send a text or messages in TikTok Lite very easily. Therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.